Today on Unbox Daily, we have a blast from the past. Our top 10 toys that we want back now video has me feeling a little nostalgic. So today's Unbox Daily is featuring the Discontinued Doll line, Liv Dolls. We went into our back storage room and found dolls and playsets that I've never opened. What? I often buy multiple copies of the same doll for body transplants. So here is a Making Waves Alexis still in the box. This is the Sweet Dreams Fashion Pack, the Possibilities Boutique, and the Schools Out Alexis and Display playset for ages 5 and up. There are some pluses and minuses to keeping your dolls in the box for a long time. These were stored in a climate-controlled area, however, I can see that time has taken its toll, mainly on the rubber bands and plastic stays that help the doll to stay in place. On the back of the box, there is a picture of the doll, and it says, "This is what I call relaxing." There is information on changing her wigs, and at the bottom, you can see all of the dolls that were available. Nothing is more fun than hanging with my BFFs. Let's take her out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, we have a little situation. It was very difficult to get her out of the box. There is like gel or glue in her hair. I totally scratched my nail polish. The sunglasses are a little bent, probably from years of being wrapped up with rubber bands. And her fingers are a little squished from the rubber bands as well. Let's see if we can use a little hot water to fix her hair. Into the water you go! Yay! The water worked to soften her hair, so that's a plus. She has acrylic inset eyes. She has a wig that can be removed with a cute little haircut underneath. She wears a one-piece white and pink bathing suit, comes with a bag, and pink sunglasses. They have articulation at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, waist, hip, knee, and ankle. All of the dolls have the same face sculpt and pierced ears. The Sweet Dreams Fashion Pack allows you to add to your doll's wardrobe. The clothes are displayed on a plastic body form. That's pretty cool. We have a pink polka dot nightgown with a ruffle and faux buttons at the top and a ruffle at the bottom, pink house shoes, and a colorful robe. It also has a small overnight bag, making this the perfect set for a slumber party. The Schools Out playset features Alexis and a display. It was a Toys R Us exclusive, where Alexis can work after school coming up with new styles for the Possibilities Boutique. Out of the box, some light assembly is required. We get the Liv Doll Alexis wearing a pink headband, green earrings, a green top, pink leggings, and wedge sandals. There is a mannequin with posable arms, a display, fabric and accessories, 2 hair clips, a brush, a purse, and stickers to decorate the display. Use the fabric to come up with different designs and looks for the mannequin, so you can pretend that Alexis is changing the displays. This playset comes with a style book to help you with some ideas. The Possibilities Boutique Kiosk is the perfect playset to go along with the display. With over 15 pieces, the dolls can have fun shopping at the mall. On the back of the box, it says Alexis works at the coolest spot in the mall. The Possibilities Boutique has rad sunglasses, jewelry, purses, hair accessories, everything a girl needs to rock her look. Those are totally your colors. These are some rad shades. Liv Dolls were out from 2009 to 2012, I want to say. Is that how we talked back then? Totally rad. It is really fun to see the changes in fashion and culture through dolls. Out of the box, there is a nice size kiosk standing at 12 inches tall. It has a small awning, a printed background, a counter with a side that extends, a place for storage that has a sticker inside so we can put the name on top of the shop. Possibilities. It is finished on the back as well for more areas of play. There is a matching stool, a sunglass stand, 2 pairs of sunglasses, a mirror, blow dryer, curling iron, flat iron, a tan purse, a lavender purse, a bottle of perfume, 2 bracelets, a necklace that can be hung on one of the pegs, and a cash register. I gotta say, I am loving all those details. The cording on the purse is painted as well as the buckles, metallic jewelry with painted details. Everything is in very realistic colors, and we can store all of the smaller accessories underneath. Liv Dolls definitely brought their A game. Their accessories had a lot of detail, their dolls were fully articulated, they had different skin tones, and you could customize them by changing their hair. You can still find Liv Dolls online on websites like Amazon and eBay. They were created by Spin Master, the same company that makes Hatchimals and Off the Hook dolls. But you can make something similar to a Liv doll using 2 different companies around today. A made-to-move Barbie and Snap Stars. In our Snap Stars Unbox Daily, we noticed that Liv Dolls and Snap Stars had a lot of similarities, with the acrylic eyes, wigs, and similar haircuts. So all you have to do is swap their heads to make a made-to-move Snap Star that can fit Liv Doll wigs and Barbie's clothes. So you can get the Liv Doll experience without paying a Discontinued Doll markup. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Liv. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.